Hi, this is Vitasta Sinha Roy, and I'm a model by profession. And because of my profession, my skin goes through a lot, like different kind of weather, lots of makeup, long hours of shoot, lights, and whatnot. So I need to take care of my skin, but at the same time, I do have a very oily and sensitive skin. And different kind of products makes it more irritated, red, and uncomfortable. Somehow I always wanted to balance this oil and wanted to reduce the oil production in my skin. For a long period of time, I felt reducing the oil or eliminating the excess amount of oil from my skin will make my skin calm. But later on, I have realized stripping my skin, it will cause more oil production. And all I need was a proper hydration, a good routine for my skin. And then when I have discovered Oshea Herbals. So I have been using this rice water range for some times now. And the cleanser removes the excess oil and impurities from my skin without any kind of irritation or dullness. And the toner is very refreshing and which make my skin very balanced. The serum is lightweight and absorb in my skin very quickly and leaving a very natural glow on my skin. With the consistent use of this product, my skin feels more balanced and less oil production is there. And honestly, when your skin feels clear, fresh, you develop a kind of confidence that can be seen on camera and off camera.